solving law of sines diagram problems. All right, so in the previous examples, we were given angles like A, B, and C in some form like this, right? Where it's like given to you, but there's no picture. Um, but sometimes we need to use law of sines and it's a picture we're looking at. So that's what these are. Um, we are starting with a picture. We are asked to solve for side BC, round our answer to the nearest tenth. My first thing I'm going to do, I notice that my sides have been labeled A, B, and C. My angles, rather. My angles have been labeled A, B, and C. I am going to finish labeling this diagram. I'm going to label it with the lowercase letters. So like side A is opposite baby A, side B is opposite baby B, angle C is opposite baby C. So C is 120. Baby C, that is. Side C is 120. And then over here, I'm gonna write that same little, like that box I had on all the problems before. I'm going to write that over there to keep track of everything. So I know angle A is 47 degrees, I know angle B is 68 degrees, and I know side length C is 120. I will know everything about C once I find angle C, and angle C will be fine because I have that information there. I have two other angles. So angle C is 180 degrees minus 47 degrees minus, messy, 68 degrees. Angle C is going to be 65 degrees. And now I know everything about C. And what am I asked to solve here? What am I asked to solve is very important. I'm asked to find BC. So that's the side that connects point B to point C. Point B to point C. So finding BC really in this means find side length A. Side A. So we are looking for this guy right here, looking for A. We have A's angle. The way that this is going to be set up, we have A over sine of angle A, and then we know everything about C, so baby C over sine of angle C. A is equal to C sine of angle A over sine of angle C. My Apple Pencil will make it. Baby C is 120. Angle A is 47 degrees. Angle C is 65 degrees. If you plug that into a calculator, you'll get 96.8. And that A is equal to 96.8. We were asked for side BC, which they are the same thing, but I'm going to just relabel this BC is equal to 96.8 so that we're answering the question that we were asked in the first place. So side BC is 96.8. All right. For this last one down here, once again, I like to start my whole process off with angle A, angle B, angle C, side A, side B, side C. Start yourself off with success. Angle B is 25 degrees. I'm going to label these opposite sides. So this guy is B over here. So B is 150. This side will be C. And this side over here is A, opposite angle A. Technically, angle A is an ambiguous statement right now. When I say angle A, I do mean this guy right here, but it's ambiguous right now. You really should say angle CAB or BAC, but whatever. All right, so we know that B is 150. And right now, we don't have enough information for law of sines. We know everything about B, but we need to know at least some of this other information here. So what are we looking for here? Let's see. What are we looking for here? AB. Side AB. So side AB is side C in the diagram. Side C is what we're trying to find. We're looking for this guy right here. Now we need to know angle C in order to do that. So I notice right down here, this would be a 180-degree angle if you went straight across. And this is a 31-degree angle. So to find this missing angle right in here, whoop, this angle, angle A, we're going to call it, is 180 degrees minus that 31-degree angle. So that is 149 degrees. We need to find angle C in order to go anywhere further. So angle C will be 180 degrees minus angle A, 149, minus 25 degrees, because that's angle B. You get that angle C is equal I just realized in my own notes that I solved for side A instead of side C. So I needed to run some numbers in my calculator real quick. Angle C comes out to be 6 degrees. And let's see, so 6 degrees. So then we're solving for side C. So C is going to be, we'll just do it fully. C over sine C is equal, we'll use B to B over sine B. So that means C is equal to B sine C over sine B. C is equal to 150 sine of 6 degrees. All over sine of 25 degrees, which comes out to 37.1. So C is equal to 37.1, which is the same thing as side AB. Side AB is equal to 37.1. Whew. There it is. All right. I'll make a very short video for the next part, but this is basically the end of the Law of Sines chapter. Took us long enough. I will see you in the very last video then. Bye.